This is not just a district, it's land of talent and legacy. Welcome to Ajamgarh. This is a intro. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore Ajamgarh, a culturally rich district in Uttar Pradesh known for its literary heritage, historical roots, and vibrant tradition. Though not widely known as a tourist hotspot, Ajamgarh has made significant contribute to art, culture, and education. So let's begin our journey. History. Ajamgarh was established in the 17th century by Ajam Khan, after whom the district is named. However, the region has a much older history linked to ancient Indian civilization. Over time, Ajamgarh came under the rule of various dynasties, including the Mughal and later the British. During the Indian freedom struggle, the district played an active role, with many local leaders participating in movements against British rule. The city is also known for producing several prominent scholars, poets, and freedom fighters. Geography. Ajamgarh is located in the eastern part of Uttar Pradesh. It lies in the fertile plains of the Ganga basin. The district experiences hot summer, mild winter, moderate to heavy monsoon rainfall. Its fertile land supports agriculture, making it an important rural economy. People. The people of Ajamgarh are known for their simplicity, education, and culture values. The population mainly resides in rural areas. Common occupation include now talking to agriculture, teaching, and academic profession, a small business and trade. The district has a strong reputation for producing educated individual and intellectual. Now talking to language. The primary language spoken in Ajamgarh is Hindi. Region dialects such as Bhojpuri are widely spoken. Urdu also has a strong presence, especially in literature and poetry. Food. The food of Ajamgarh reflected tradition North Indian cuisine. Popular dishes include roti, rice, dal, and vegetables traditional. Bhojpuri style dishes, sweet like peda, jalebi, and laddu. The cuisine is simple, healthy, and local sourced. Now talking about to culture. Ajamgarh has a vibrant culture life, deeply connected with literature and tradition. Culture highlights include festivals like Diwali, Eid, Holi, and Chhath, rice tradition of poetry and Urdu literature, folk music and dance. The district is often recognized for its contribution to Hindi and Urdu literature. Tourism. Ajamgarh is not a major tourist destination, but it has a strong palace of interest. Dushwa Ashram, associated with the saga Dushwa, local temple and religious sites, natural rulers, landscape. These palaces attract visitors from nearby areas and those interested in spirituality. Here are some interesting facts about Ajamgarh. Named after Ajam Khan, known for its literary contribute a strong influence of Bhojpuri culture, played a role in Indian freedom struggle. Important Azamgarh holds importance in several areas. Cultural importance rich literary and artist heritage. Educational importance no for producing a scholar. Agriculture importance fertile and land supports farming. Historical importance active role in freedom struggle. Conclusion. In conclusion, Azamgarh is district that reflected India's culture, depth and intellectual strength. Its contribute to literature, education and tradition make it a unique and important region. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching.